Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure the unit has steady 12V power and the car is in ACC or running so settings persist. Once done, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times and about. This exposes advanced UI controls. You should immediately back up launcher data and settings to a USB stick or cloud because you'll overwrite files. Make sure you have the correct firmware file for your unit model before proceeding. Mismatches cause bricked interfaces. You now modify the launcher and resource files using ADB from your laptop. Connect with USB debugging enabled and pull /data/system and /system/app to preserve originals. Once you have the files, replace the launcher APK or edit XML layout resources to adjust UI elements like icon size, rows, and status bar behavior. Make sure file permissions remain the same after pushing. Incorrect permissions prevent the system from loading the launcher. If swapping APKs, sign them or use the device. Finish by rebooting into normal mode or recovery so the system applies the new interface. Test touch response, audio routing, Bluetooth and CarPlay/Android Auto if present. Open several apps to confirm layout stability. Once confirmed, tidy up leftover temp files and set correct permissions again. If the unit fails to boot or UI crashes repeatedly, immediately restore the backup you made or reflash the stock firmware image. That single restoration usually recovers the head unit.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.